Where are we at with the Tang Stang?
The Tang Stang, I like that. We're on this fender. We've got the hood polished and the front of this. We'll probably take the 3-inch polisher for all these tight areas.
Yeah.
Because this is 6 inches and we're gonna have a hard time getting that up.
I've never had 6 inches before. My girlfriend's used to 2 inches.
I don't know.
Ask my accountant about that.
Hey, what to say about that?
How's it coming out?
It's coming out good. It's coming out good.
Coming out good?
There are some super hard water spots right here. Can you see that?
Not on camera.
They're pretty deep, so they might not come all the way out. I mean, the majority of them did, but around some of them, you can tell they're pretty deep. So it might not be worth it moving all the way anymore. So no.
What's the technique here?
The technique? Okay, we're doing, it's kind of hard to do cross hatch patterns right here.
Yeah,
so
that's a small area.
So when it's an area like that, you know, when you're new, you definitely want to, you know, try to get even coverage when you're polishing.
Yeah.
I've been doing this long enough that, you know, I don't have to follow that crosshatch pattern. So what I like to do is like follow the body line. Yeah. And I'll come up like this, and then I'll go up like that, and then I'll come down here and hit this. So pretty much a crosshatch pattern. We just we're using Americana 1500 with a Americana 6-inch microfiber cutting disc. After we do this, we will probably go with an orange orange foam pad by Americana with Americana Finesse, and
polish it out.
You'll polish out all the micro marring, and even though this stuff finishes real well in this color, you really can't see the micro marring. We're still going to do a polish to just take it to the next level up. So.
It's looking good. The Tang Stang is looking good. You're about to be famous, Chase! That's Chase number 2. Ugly ass. Chase's new car. Congrats, dude. I'm really proud of you. Scratches it. Oh, dude. Look at them brakes. Woo!
Yeah, we're making
big money moves.
Big money.
LP10 6 shit. Oof.
V6 twin turbo. Upgraded all the real fast.
Oh. Tape mod.
Tape mod. And then we heard you like tape. You got some tape.
Good old black GM paint. So my memory card accident deleted it earlier. So you got to redo what you said earlier.
For what?
Just say what you're doing, man. What's going on? Got back from Mushes. All that got deleted.
Damn. We just got a compound shower.
14-hour drive, started right on the new cars.
Yeah, all-nighter. Drove 14 hours, then came here. So we got the Cadillac doing Silver Plus, 7 years. Package on the Lamborghini and Silver Plus on the Mustang. Cool.
So Chase is working on the Mustang. Randy's knocking out the Lambo. Travis is knocking out the beautiful GM paint.
It's rough.
How many hours do you think it's going to take to get all 3 of these done, just the paint correction?
I'm gonna say about 35.
Oh my god. Ah!
35 hours?
It takes Chase a month to work that many hours. Got him!
Damn, talking about grinding or dying. Get this guy a bang. Someone get him a bang. Oh my goodness.
This V-Wagon is dope though. So they got the V-Wagon, Ctsv, got the Lamborghini Huracan LP6104, and we got the Tang Stang. Dude, you checking your DMs right now?
Yeah, it goes down in the DM.
Ah! So, welcome back to the channel. I had Chase come help me film, and he has the exact same camera setup as I do. So I gave him one of my SD cards, I went and did something else, and then I was gonna come back and format my SD card, which means you delete everything on it. That way he had enough room to help me film for Travis and Ceramic Pro and Chase and Randy to get them some footage for Ceramic Pro. Anyways, I was formatting the card thinking it was his, and it was actually the one in my camera. So I lost all the footage from this morning and from last night. I had started a vlog last night, so I guess we're starting the vlog over. Anyways, I just dropped off the Mustang this morning. Actually, I dropped it off last night and I came check on it this morning. They are doing a full paint correction, which it needs badly. You gotta remember, anytime you buy a car, whether it's from a person, I mean a person, they might garage it, but a dealership, they're definitely gonna leave it outside unless it's like a specialty car. You know, it's just a Mustang GT, so it's nothing crazy special. So of course they just leave it outside to get shit on by the outside weather conditions. So the Mustang's paint is not in the greatest condition. And Kevin made a comment last night. He's like, well, you're gonna be racing it most of the time and beating it up. Like, what's the point? Like, man, I still want the paint to look good. I still want to protect the paint, so, and I want it to last. Even if I don't have the car, you know, for 3 to 5 years, I still want it to last for the time that I have it. And I always want my cars to look good. I don't want to be driving around with the paint looking shitty. So, and a couple people have asked me if I'm gonna wrap it or not. I would have wrapped it if Misa was still here, but Misa's no longer here. And Misa's probably the only one I'd let wrap my car. Plus, Misa and I trade out work, so it helps with the cost of wrapping because wrapping is not that cheap. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely just keep the Orange Fury paint. And I really like the paint. Some people don't. I think the color's really cool. And I think once it's paint corrected, once it's coated, it's gonna really make, there is some deep pearlescent, like some type of pearl in there. And it looks really good, but it needs to be paint corrected and coated for it to really pop and for you to really, you know, see what the color truly is. So I think it'll look way different after it's coated. And then once we do some black accents, I've already done the badges. Once I tint it, once I do like grill deletes, once I do my wheels, once they come in, I think it'll look way better. So not wrapping it, unfortunately, although it would look sick in satin black, because you know your boy would wrap it satin black. Oh, that car would look dope. But that's not for the foreseen future. It's gonna be a while. So we're gonna protect it for now and enjoy this Orange Fury paint. That Lamborghini though was pretty sick. So that's Brandon. He owns the Lamborghini. He owns a bunch of local businesses. Super nice guy. And he's allowing us to use his shop because I told Travis that for me to make more Ceramic Pro videos, we really need a shop with better lighting. And the shop that we always use has usually been the one at the house. And the lighting's not the greatest in there. It's, even though we've upgraded the lights, there's not enough lighting, and then there's no natural light to help that. So it's just, what happens is you sacrifice something when you're filming. So you're sacrificing the image sensitivity, and so sometimes the videos turn out grainy, or you can't color grade them as best as you want because you can't push the color too far because the image is already grainy from the ISO being so high. Anyways, what it comes down to is better lighting, better video production. So I told him, like, hey man, if you come back, whatever cars we do, we really need to get into a bigger shop so I have more room to work around, and then something with better lighting, because you also can't do videos in too small of shops. I mean, you can make it work, but my favorite type of filming is being far away but having the lens really zoomed in. It gives it like this really cool depth of field. It blurs the background, it makes your subjects pop. And for me to make a really good video for Travis to use for training for Ceramic Pro that he can use around the country, I want the conditions to be perfect. So luckily, Brandon has a nice big shop with good lighting. He's letting us use it while they work on his Lamborghini also. So Randy is getting Ceramic Pro certified. He already does detailing here, he does paint correcting, and he's fairly good at it. He just needs to get Ceramic Pro certified so that he can offer Ceramic Pro coatings. So he's doing that with Travis on the Lamborghini. They have the Ctsv they're also doing a package on. They're doing paint correction, oh, hitting the bumps, and coating it, and then they're doing the Mustang also. So I'm pretty excited to get the Mustang done. Like I said, I had this cool vlog from last night and this morning, but freaking deleted it. So you guys have to stay tuned to see the finished video and to see what the paint looks like. But they are in the middle of paint correcting everything right now. Hopefully when I was kind of interviewing them, you could hear them. It's kind of loud in there, like the compressor's going on and off, they're running the machines, they're not running the machines, so it's kind of loud in there. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I highly recommend paint correcting and ceramic coating your vehicle. If you want to go the extra step, kind of like they did on Mush's car, was they had the front expelled and then they put ceramic coating on top of that. That's probably like the ultimate protection you can get. However, I'm not going to actually go that far and expel the front, but I'm definitely ceramic coating it because we ceramic coat all the vehicles. It makes the maintenance on the paint so much easier. It makes washing them easier. When you go the drag strip and you get rubber all over the paint, that shit just comes right off. So it's super nice, super convenient, and it's definitely worth the money. So that's gonna conclude today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Sorry that I had a cool vlog planned and I failed you, but I'd call that an upgrade to the tank stang. I'd call that an upgrade. But so we're moving along on the Mustang, kind of getting the little stuff done, the maintenance stuff done, as well as in the background I'm buying parts for the car. But that's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Make sure you follow them. Chase Miser's Auto Detailing, Randy Detailing, Travis McNutt, obviously, Ceramic Pro, and Americana is the products they use for the paint correcting. And also shout out Chase Steelman for helping me film. It's gonna really help me put together a very nice video for Ceramic Pro with all the different angles and the different frame rates. So that's gonna conclude today's video. We'll see you guys on the next one.